Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video. Now guys, couple of words on the gold market. So the drop on the gold market that has started, it was really not unexpected since we have discussed this, and the one question that we have was just whether the market will start move down right from the 1258, or it will first will complete the 1280 target, and only after that will drop lower. But as we have suggested in our weekly research, due to the holiday in the United States, the market was thin. Also, there was some relief in the geopolitical tensions has happened. Besides, market has completed very significant rally, and it's just some profit taking has started on the gold market. All these moments have led to drop on the gold market. So this is in fact what we really would like to get, since we currently need the proper point where we could take the long position. And this mostly welcome situation for us, good situation. At the same time, guys, we expect this compounding action on the gold market, because we expect mostly the compounding retracement down, since this was a reversal swing, and market really could take the shape of some kind of the ABCD action to the downside. That's why this action will consist of two legs. First leg is standing right now. The first drop has been completed precisely in an area that we have discussed. Former top 1189, right? It's also trade support 1204. Also, this yearly pivot point has been broken. Market has reached this area, almost has reached, and that is also broken upper border of the consolidation downward channel on the weekly chart. So this area is very significant, and we said that's typical for the gold market to retrace broken tops. As you can see, market has stopped precisely at the same area. Better to show you, right? Just drop right to this area. And that's why we could suggest that probably the first drop could stop here, and market right now could show some bounce up. From that standpoint, overall situation right now looks very attractive, because in fact we have the potential for Judd Napoli Brent butter buy trade. So market has thrust up is excellent. Market has dropped right to the fib support area. Also take a look at the market has erased this last action to the upside. This was a significant drop. So we could take the scalp long position here with the minimum target, the 618 resistance of the whole action to the downside. Okay, this will be scalp trade. But we will see. If market suddenly will continue move high above this top, this will be great. If market later will form some kind of the ABCD down, this also will be okay, because in this case we will get riskless trade and even could take some profit on it. But still, guys, currently we can't take position yet, because market hasn't closed yet below the 3x3. The Brent butter trade suggests that market should close below the green line, this moving average, 3x3 moving average, within the 3 periods, and reach the fib level. Fib level already has been hit, so we need to close to think about taking the long position. Also, guys, I'm not occasionally have put here these lines. So this is moving average that is necessary for Brent butter identification. That is blue line is the indicator, oscillator predictor. It shows the oversold. So you can see that market right now stands very close to the oversold area. And what's more interesting, this red line, that the MACD predictor. For example, guys, if tomorrow we will get the bullish grabber here, that will be just perfect, because it will give us more confidence the market could continue move higher. But if we will not get it, well, this not will be the strategy, but the appearing of the grabber will be very nice sign. So currently, guys, we have two major targets. First target is the monitoring of the retracement down for taking the position for a medium-term trend. Under the medium-term trend, I understand this larger scale of the action. So this will be the first leg up. This retracement will be retracement. This action now will be the compounding retracement down, and we should get the second leg up with this bigger scale. That's the first target, and we're still watching for it. In the shorter term, we have another moment to watch for is this isolated bread and butter setup that we could trade separately. This is the tactical trade with no far-going conclusions, far-going results. So this is just nice setup that we could use in the short-term perspective. And keep in mind, pay attention that we both scenarios have the direction to the upside. So as this minor trade, here we have to we're taking the long position. As with the possible deep retracement, we again will be watching for possible taking the long position. So right now about the bread and butter. If we will take a look at the hourly chart, guys, on the hourly chart, we see that market has completed this minor A, B, C top 1618 target. It now stands in this support, according somehow. So before taking long position, it will be very nice if we will get some kind of the bullish reversal pattern now back. So I think that it's better to wait when the market will form something clear here, some well-recognizable pattern before taking any long position, because currently, guys, I do not see anything. And don't forget that market has 2 sessions in reserve, so this is also only the first drop below the moving average. Market, for example, could form to another one, move down and reach this level. This also is suitable for the bread and butter. And market still has 2 sessions to reach the fib level, because bread and butter suggests the reaching of the fib level within the 3 closes below the 3x3. But this rule doesn't specify which level should be hit, whether 3.8 or 6.18. That's why if market, for example, with the coming next 2 sessions will reach 1170, it also will be the bread and butter. It's not really very probable, because market, this is here we have the oversold, so this really not bad support area. But anyway, market still stand flat for 2 sessions here, somewhere around 50% support. Market could form bread and butter. This time could be spent on forming some reversal pattern here. Maybe market will form the butterfly buy with this weekly pivot support once our retracement down will take place right to the weekly pivot support, and that will be great, because 1180 will be the pivot support, and market could form some kind of the reversal pattern here. So that's been said, although the setup is almost here, it's almost completed, we still call to wait for clear reversal pattern on the hourly chart before taking some long position. But I hope that still, sooner or later, till the end of the week, we will get a nice setup for possible making the scalp trade on the long side of the market, and to work with the first leg of the retracement down. When this setup will be completed, we will monitor for the second leg of this retracement. So let's see what will happen.